In this video, we'll talk about vulcanization. If I open my index.html, you can see that we first import the pd-dashboard.html element and then we use it in our page. In the PD dashboard page, we include various other elements. Now, in each of these elements, there are various other includes as well, not taking into consideration all of the CSS and JavaScript files as well. It won't be hard to imagine that this leads to numerous requests to our server, so we can load all of the resources needed. I'll load my page, open the debugger, and reload the page. You can see that numerous requests were made to our server and a lot of kilobytes were transferred. All of these requests are the elements and resources included in our page. In the next image, you can see how a simple HTTP request goes through. The client makes a request to the server, and the server responds with the data requested. This whole process is resource heavy. First of all, with every request, there's a huge chunk of metadata, such as headers and other transfer data. Secondly, there is a wait time for the request and the response to take place, as the request has to pass all of the routers, switchers, servers throughout the world to reach its destination, collect the data, and back. Lastly, with each request made, the server has to probably create a new thread, make calculations, process data to return the response. To make matters worse, with HTTP 1.1, the request response process isn't always done in parallel, and browsers try to issue multiple TCP connections to try to increase speed. So, we would load our site, then the site would need resources and make new requests, and these resources would need other resources, making even more requests. This way, we would overload the wire, make the site slow, and the server much less performant. How could we ever solve this problem? The answer is vulcanization.